Jung Silon, the international shopping and leisure destination at Patong, Phuket, is where Eastern charms blend harmoniously with Western lifestyles in this surprising fusion. Come and get the whole experience of entertainment, leisure, shopping, fashion, nightlife, and dining. Discover a kingdom of arts and crafts at That Siam and the 5-star Millennium Resort Patong, Phuket. Here you can watch the thrilling light and sound water fountain show and the first water screen, where you can enjoy free multimedia shows every night. Come and enjoy a new era in shopping paradise all under one roof at Jung Silon, the international shopping and leisure destination at Patong, Phuket.